Hi gorgeous girls, this is Karishma and welcome to my channel Hello Gorgeous by Karishma. So today we are going to talk about how to prep and prime your skin for makeup. If you want your makeup to stay longer, it should look flawless and you want your makeup do not turn grey, then this is a basic step but very important. So let's talk about what is prep and prime. Prep is preparation of your skin and prime is to primer or maybe a moisturizer your skin. So for that few products are very common. It can go with any skin. So we have to understand what skin are we working on, what kind of skin are you having. So as you see, I have a light shine on my skin as the light is reflecting from behind. So you can see those are the areas are shiny. So this place I have oil, but if you see this area there is no oil, so this area is totally dry. So for that I will call my skin as a very combination. No matter what products do you use, you have to prepare your skin for the to understand the skin type. What kind of a skin are you having, like combination, dry or oily? We will understand each skin and what products can be used for that. I will let you know. And also there are skin with problems like acne or blemishes or scar, and for that we need to prepare the skin accordingly. So let's start. To start with, I would like to tell you all, there is one product which can go to any skin, either it is problematic, oily, combination or dry. I believe in this product. This is MAC Prep and Prime. You can close your eyes and use it. I use this product to start my makeup because it hydrates the skin really well. And after that, when I apply my primer, it goes really gel or well into the product what I apply later. So this is one go product. And also there is one Fix Plus. It is matte. You are going to use a very dry or matte kind of a makeup, so in that case you use this. And on any oily skin or dewy skin makeup or any normal bridal makeup or something, you can use this product. I generally start my makeup with this. For my client or for myself, when I use, I try to check the skin first and then accordingly I will go for it. For dry skin, you need to see what kind of a dry skin and it has acne or not. For any time, any skin like oily, dry or combination, I will go for Cetaphil at any point of time. So this will not damage the skin, and also it hydrates so well. Then the foundation and the other products go and mix with the skin very nicely. So you should also try Cetaphil. It's a moisturizer cream. You can get it from Nykaa or you can get it from any Health and Glow or any normal medical shop. So try and get it. It is really nice product. So these two products I starts with. Also people who have a dry skin, you need to give a lot of oil and hydration for the skin. So for me, one time go is this is from Bath and Body Hello Beautiful product, and it is super soft. Once you mix this product, the consistency also very nice, and it's very creamy based product. So when you have a creamy based product, it will hydrate your skin like this. See, actually, if you ask me, I had brought this product to apply for my face and body, but then I realized this for the dry skin is best moisturizer, and I use this for my client. Okay, So someone is having a very oily skin, you have to control it, because if you use any kind of a gel based product, or the moisturizer with for oily skin also, then also the skin will leave the oil, and it will move your foundation, it will move your product. So what you have to do, you have to use this product. This is actually for men. It is Nivea Men Original Aftershave, and it can be used as your primer, and then you can start your makeup, because it will control the oil on the face, and it will not let your product move. So this is my anytime go for very oily skin. So let's start. I'm starting with hydrating my skin with Prep and Prime by MAC. I'm loving this product like anything. I just let this dry. I have a bit dry, or maybe you can say combination skin. I would like to moisturize my skin very well, so I'm using this Bath and Body Works, and it is in shade Hello Beautiful. I just love this product as it is going to hydrate my skin. While applying the moisturizer, you need to use the strokes that will lift your skin and allow the makeup to look really nice. So I'm done with my preparation of the face, and now I'm going to prepare my lips. I'm using MAC Prep and Prime. It comes like this, like a lipstick. By the time your makeup gets over on the face, this will moisturize, and I'm applying a small amount of pore minimizer, and that is from Oriflame. This product is really nice. It will smoothen the area where I'm going to apply. If you don't have open pores or something, then don't apply. You can go for Farsali. I like Farsali because it hydrates the skin really well. So I keep both, because I do go for bridal makeup and all, and I need to keep all different variety of products. I have to work on a different skin. The next product I'm going to use is Prep and Prime. It's an eye base, and it's a very little amount you should take, not too much. Because it's a very small area, and this will allow your eye makeup to stay longer, and it will not let create any crease. As you see, we all have this crease when we open the eyes. So when you are applying any colorful products, the oil will leave and it will become creasy. So this product is not good, let you create the crease in your eyeshadow. If you have a plan for any dewy skin or shiny looking skin, then you should try this. MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm taking or I'm using the pink light shade. Just apply on the highlighting area. This is your highlighting area. If you have products on your brush, you can obviously use the whole product. So now guys, I'm ready to apply a load of foundation and highlighter, contour, everything, and my skin will really absorb all those products and create a very flawless skin. So as you can see, I am done with my makeup, and my skin is looking radiant and glowy, and the foundation and everything is blend so well. So that is why I always recommend to follow the basic step for makeup. So next time, do follow prep and prime steps when you start your makeup or before you start your makeup. That will help you get the flawless skin. Okay, so this makeup is done by my own daughter, and the tutorial will be coming really soon. I hope you love this tutorial. If you have any suggestions, please give comments in my comments box. If you like this tutorial, please press the like button, and if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Till then, take care. Bye bye.